my name is Manish Agrawal. I am CTO and co-founder of Yagna. So we are a global company. Our customers are over, I would say, 100 plus countries. We have close to 5,000 reseller partners who work on our platform. We have renewal data for close to 30 vendors, and there are close to 45 distributors who work with us. As an engineering leader, basically my role is I call it three primary responsibility, that is innovate, enhance and integrate, and that's where the Zoho Analytics comes into the play, where we have integrated, because Yagna is a channel ecosystem platform. So basically we have three major product lines that we call it renewal cloud, upsell, cross-sell cloud, and channel CPQ. The channels consist of the vendor, the distributor, and the reseller. So what happens whenever these selling ecosystem, they come together, selling becomes even greatly difficult. So what Yagna comes in and say, in our renewal cloud product, we help these companies to do the renewals through the channel, where all these three partners, they work together as an ecosystem in Yagna platform. And our channel CPQ helps people do configure price code. So we are also into, if you see, for last 5 years in Gartner Magic Quadrant for CPQ, we are into Forrester and then many other things. So as we started growing our operation around, I would say 3 years ago, so we have these thousands of partners, resellers, and distributor. So what started happening, that everybody wanted to know out of our renewal product that how they are doing, how their teams are doing. So there were two specific kind of dashboard that everybody was looking. One was operational, other was management. So operational is more like how a particular team is doing. They wanted to see their day-to-day progress. But management wanted to see the whole idea about their profitability, how they are doing, what are the different partners they are doing. And then all these, initially we were sending out these reports out of our platform, out of our database, all this we were sending, and slowly it just became impossible, where we can come in and where everybody can get their reports, what they are looking for, a dashboard when they sign in, and they can look what is happening. So simply the problem was of that scale, when these thousands of users, they are asking to track their business, what is happening, and slowly it just became impossible to cater to them. And that's when we started looking for a solution. We had many things in front of us. So of course Zoho Analytics, then we had the Microsoft, the BI tool, and we had Tableau, and of course doing everything ourselves. So when we started evaluating, there were few simple criteria we had, that how easy it is. Other important criteria for us was the affordability. We wanted to make sure that the budget, it fits within the budget, because whenever you have buy versus build, that thing is always lingering, whether it is going to cost me more, cost me less. I quickly remembered my own philosophy that if you can, buy something, don't go and build. And when we started doing the POC, making it native white label solution was easiest. And keeping all those things in mind, we went with Zoho Analytics. When we started working with Zoho Analytics, what we realized, some of the features that we really liked was it is native to the platform. That is, the way seamlessly it integrates into your platform. Other things like SSO, we found it very cool that it just integrates so nicely. API integrations were so seamless and easy. Zoho Analytics providing those flexibility where people can go and change their how the chart is looking, and how you can quickly download the data, how you can change the whole look and feel, how can bring in new views, new graphs and bars and charts. All those things makes the whole life very simple. Only last thing at that point remains is how secure is the platform, because I'm sharing a lot of my data. And that's where I ask for all the security certifications and all those things. Well, we signed all the contract, making sure that the data is safe. And we were convinced, because a lot of our payment happens through Zoho product. So I can say there are two ways that Zoho Analytics has benefited us. So one is what I would say towards my customer, and other is my internal team. I was telling earlier that my customers, they used to have teams, and their cadence call used to take probably a couple of weeks to collect all the data. And when we brought in Yagna Renewal Cloud along with Zoho Analytics, business is much more agile because now we have all the data in fingertips for all our reseller partners, and customers. Then other side of things, like my internal, teams to build, something like Zoho Analytics, and I could kind of repurpose all the people that I thought that they will be doing this work and put them to the core functionality of my Renewal Cloud. So that increased the retention, and it made our story much more complete. So Zoho Analytics has been an inseparable part of my product. My customer absolutely love it. It saves a lot of time and headache for me and my team. And moving forward, more and more we are aligning towards the whole AI revolution. Our Renewal Cloud product is bringing in lots of AI-enabled features. Because we are using Zoho Analytics, we also want a lot of Zoho Analytics things to be AI-enabled, and we have already started experimenting with the GIA and Chat GPT integration of Zoho Analytics. So all these things, I see that we are, moving towards, the AI revolution and making a lot of changes together. So that way, Zoho Analytics is not only for me today, but it's for future as well.